Hello everyone. In the last class, we have seen couple of C programs using if condition and if else condition. In this video, we will be discussing about nested if else condition and logical operators and or not. So let's start with the video. So first let's see nested if else condition. In this example, we have taken a simple example that a student who is eligible to take a scholarship. So in 10th class, he should have scored greater than 90%, and in intermediate or graduation, in any one of these, he should have scored greater than 90%. Then he is eligible to take a scholarship. So in 10th class, it is mandatory for the greater than 90% score, but in intermediate or graduation, he should have scored greater than 90. If both of these conditions satisfies, then he is eligible to take a scholarship. If not, he is not eligible. For this, we are writing a C program. So let's start with the C program. First, we are including a documentation section, hash include studio.h, and again we are declaring the main function, void main, and within this main function, we are writing the entire program. So we have taken three variables for 10th class score, intermediate score, and graduation score, I, J, K. Three scores we have taken. I is for 10th class score, J is for 12th score, and K is for graduation score. First, system is asking user to enter 10th class score. For that, we are using a printf function. Printf, please enter your 10th class score. And again, system is reading that 10th class score. Scanf %i. If 10th class score is greater than 90, if I is greater than 90, then system is asking user to enter intermediate score. Why? Because he has got greater than 90% in 10th class. So his system is asking user to enter intermediate score. First condition satisfied. Now in intermediate or graduation, he should have got greater than 90%. Then he is eligible for the scholarship. That's why system is asking user to enter intermediate score. Now system is reading that intermediate score. Scanf %j. If intermediate score is greater than 90, if J is greater than 90, then system is printing message that you are qualified to take a scholarship. Why? Because in 10th class he has got 90 greater than 90, and intermediate also he has got greater than 90. So the student is qualified to take a scholarship. If this condition fails, then it will come to the else condition. If J is not greater than 90, that means if J is less than 90, then so in intermediate he did not got greater than 90. So at least he should have scored greater than 90 in graduation, right? Then only he is eligible. If not, he is disqualified to take a scholarship. So if J is less than 90, system is asking user to enter graduation percentage. So for that we have used printf function, and again user has entered his graduation percentage and system is reading that percentage. Scanf %k. If graduation percentage is greater than 75, that means it is less than 90, then obviously he is disqualified. Why? Because he has scored only greater than 90 in 10th class, but in intermediate and graduation he has got greater than 75 but less than 90. That's why he is disqualified for the scholarship. I'll repeat this example. So this nested if else example is for the scholarship eligibility. In 10th class he should have scored greater than 90%, and in intermediate or graduation he should have scored greater than 90%. Then he is eligible for the scholarship. First we have declared documentation section and main function and 3 variables for 10th class, intermediate and graduation scores we have declared, and system is printing a message on the screen, please enter your 10th class score. Then system is reading the 10th class score and system is checking the condition. If 10th class score is greater than 90, then if it satisfies, then system is asking user to enter intermediate score. Then system is reading the intermediate score. If intermediate score is greater than 90, then system is printing a message, you are qualified for the scholarship. If this condition fails, then it will come to the else part. If intermediate score is less than 90, then system is asking user to enter graduation percentage. Then system is reading graduation percentage. If graduation percentage is greater than 75, then he is disqualified. System is printing a message that you are disqualified to take a scholarship. That's it. This is for the nested if else condition. This is a simple program for nested if else condition. Now let's see the logical operators in C. We have 3 logical operators in C programming: and, or, not. These are the declarations for the logical operators. Whenever we want to use and, or, not in a C program, we need to use like this. With these operators, with the help of these operators, we need to write the C program. Now we are taking an example for and condition, the first operator. Let's take a simple example. In any exam, we have 3 subjects in an exam, and marks 1, marks 2, marks 3, and total marks. Teacher has conducted an exam, and there are 3 subjects in an exam and the total marks. And teacher is giving us a message that if the student has scored greater than 250 marks, then teacher is giving excellent score. But if a student who has got between 150 to 250, then teacher is giving a message good score. If a student who has got between 100 to 150, then teacher is giving a message to work hard. If it is less than 100, then teacher is giving a message you are failed for the exam. This is a simple example. For that we are writing a C program. So here we have got 3 conditions. If total marks, each subject is having 100 marks, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3, in the sense 3 subjects. In these 3 subjects, that is total 300 marks. If the score is greater than or equals to 250, then we are displaying a message excellent score. Between 150 to 250, then good score. Between 100 to 150, then work hard. If not, fail. So we are giving these conditions. For that we are using a AND operator. So let's start with the C program. First we are giving a documentation section #studio.h, and then void main function. Every program must have a main function, and here we have 3 subjects, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3 and total marks. So we are declaring 4 variables, all are integers. So int total marks 1, marks 2, marks 3. And now system is printing a message. System is asking user or asking teacher to enter the marks in 3 subjects. Enter marks in 3 subjects, and then system is reading the marks. So for that we have used scanf function. Scanf %d marks 1, marks 2, marks 3. So we have declared and system has read the 3 marks, subject marks. Now we are also declaring the total marks. Total equals to marks 1 plus marks 2 plus marks 3. How we can calculate the total marks? By adding all subjects, right? So marks 1 plus marks 2 plus marks 3 equals to total. Now we are checking the condition. If total is greater than or equals to 250, then system is printing a message, excellent score. If this condition fails, if total is not 250, then it will come to the else condition. Else, if total is between 150 to 250, then system is printing a message, good score. If this condition also fails, then one more else condition it will check. If total is between 100 to 150, then system is printing a message, work hard. So here we have one if condition. If total is greater than 250, then it will display excellent score. If this condition fails, it will directly come to the first else condition. If total is between 150 to 250, this condition satisfies, then it will display good score. If this condition also fails, then it will come to the next else condition. If total is between 100 to 150, then it will print a message to work hard. And last, if all this condition fails, then it will print fail. You are failed in the exam. So this is the last condition. So here we have 3 conditions. If total is greater than 250, excellent score. If this condition fails, it will come to the first else condition. If it is between 150 to 250, good score. If this is also fails, then it will come to the next else condition. If it satisfies 100 to 150 score between this, then it will print a message to work hard. If all this condition fails, at the final last, it will print a message, you are failed in an exam. So we are terminating all the if condition and else condition. This is the closing brace for the main program, main function. So this is the end of the C program. So this is about the AND operator example. Now let's take one more example for OR operator. This is an example for the OR operator. Here let's take one more simple example using OR operator. Here people are conducting an exam. A college, women's college, is conducting an exam. Here there are 2 conditions. If a gender is female, in the women's college only women will study, right? But men's are not allowed, right? So if gender is female, and in female there may be married students and unmarried students, right? unmarried female and married female. And in the women's college means age should be greater than 20. So here we have couple of conditions. One is gender should be female, and in female there may be married girls and unmarried girls. We have one more a condition, that marital status and age should be greater than 20. These three conditions must satisfy. Then that girl is eligible to study in a women's college. So this is the C program. For that we are writing now. So let's write a C program now. So first we are writing documentation section, #include studio.h, and every program must have a void main function. So we have declared that, and inside this main function we are writing the entire program. And here we need age, gender and marital status to check the eligibility to study in a women's college. So we are declaring age is an integer, right? And gender is a character, and marital status is also a character. Only age is numeric, right? So integer age and character, gender and marital status. Gender, G is for gender, MS is for marital status. Just we can't write a long wording to declare in the declaration part, right? That's why we have taken a simple short form. G is for gender, MS is for marital status. So we have declared three variables. Now system is asking user to enter her age, gender and marital status. For that we have used a printf function. Then system is reading whatever user has entered. So here for reading purpose, scanf person D age. While reading an integer, we need to use person D, and for reading the characters, we need to use %C. %C is for character and %D is for age. So we need to follow this format. So system has read all the entries which user has entered. Now system is checking the condition. If gender is female, so gender is satisfied. Now again one more condition is, it may be married girl or unmarried girl and age should be greater than 20. So to check that condition, we are using AND operator. This is the symbol for AND operator. So if G is equals to F, and if marital status is unmarried, and if gender equals to female and age is greater than 20. So who is eligible to take the admission? One condition is if gender equals to female, they are eligible. And one more condition is if marital status is unmarried and if the gender is female and age is greater than 20, then that girl is eligible to take an exam. So this condition satisfied, and we are printing a message, you are eligible to take an exam. That means admission test. Else system is printing a message that you are not eligible. So let's repeat this example once again. Here we are writing a simple program to take the admission exam in a women's college. Who is eligible to take the exam? Who is female and who is unmarried and who is age is greater than 20. They are eligible to take the admission exam in a women's college. So we need three variables. One is age we need, marital status we need, and gender we need. So first we are including a documentation section and main function, and we have declared character, gender, marital status. We have for gender and marital status we have used character, and for to declare age we have used integer. And now system is printing a message: please enter age, gender and marital status. For that we have used printf function, and again system is reading whatever user has entered. For that we have used a scanf function. And while reading purpose, for integers we need to read with %d. For reading characters we need to use %c. So we have used %d and %c in the scanf function. Now system is checking the condition. If gender is female and along with female status, marital status must be unmarried. Only unmarried girls are eligible. Marital status is unmarried and gender is female and age is greater than 20. That girl is eligible to take an admission exam in a women's college. So that girl is eligible now. So system is printing a message: you are eligible to take an exam. If this if condition fails, then it will not print this message. It will directly come to the else condition: you are not eligible, because you may not satisfy any of these condition. Your gender may not be female, or your age may not be greater than 20, or your marital status is not unmarried. That means you are a married girl. Then that girl is not eligible to take an exam. So this is the C program for the OR operator. These programs are just an assumption. You can write any program, you can make your own conditions, and you can practice based on your own conditions, your own example. So just for practice purpose I have taken this example. So this is what for today. In the next video we'll come up with the new programs. So thank you for joining. Take care. Bye.